I am a Filipino, inheritor of the glorious past, hostage and a certain future. As such, I must prove equal to the twofold task. The task of meeting my responsibility and the task performing my obligations to the future. I frown from hardly raised child many of generations. I remove Asians of Malayan pioneer. Across the century, the memories come back to me of brown skinned men pouring into the sea, to the ship as the frail as their were heart was taught. As a ocean come, I see them come, burn upon the boiling wave and a whistling wind. Upon the mighty swell of hope, hope of free, the evidence of the new land. That was as there to be home and their children forever.